Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking tonight, coming at you with some more of that wonderful beef from Midland Meat Company. Remember those stained glass ribeyes, as I call them? Oh yeah, they're going on the PK tonight. Y'all check it out. I thawed them out. Look absolutely gorgeous down here. Maybe I can zoom in on a little bit for y'all. I am just so impressed with the quality and the marbleization on this meat. But anyway, so you got the meat down there. To season these, oh gosh, I don't want to put any kind of just commercial seasoning, anything like that. I want this as natural as possible. I've got some coarse sea salt, some just very good, just natural stuff. Put a little bit of this coarse sea salt on them. Y'all, I mean, this is, I want to taste every little hint of flavor this wonderful, or these wonderful pieces of beef have to offer up from that just extreme marbling, that buttery internal fat that they have that just knows going to be magnificent. So anyway, we're going to salt these up, like I said, some of this coarse sea salt, just like that. I'm going to put in a little bit of cracked black pepper, just a little bit like that. All right, just barely cracking some black pepper, okay, on there. And I'll do this to the other side as well. And y'all, that's it. That's all I want on these steaks. We'll let them sit for just a little bit, then we'll get them on the grill. Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming back at you outside. Let's light the PK here. Let me show y'all what we're dealing with. Hopefully you can see. All right, so I've got the charcoal chimney on one side. The other side, I've got a pan here, aluminum pan with some salt in it. That's going to be our cool side, okay? I've got all vents open on the PK right now. So what I want to do is just light the chimney. Just take a second, and we're going to get the coals going, okay? Apologize, that's somebody's on a lawnmower out there. So let's get the coals going. All right, y'all, so we got a fire started here pretty good with the coals. Let's go ahead and just kind of dump them over here on this side. On the, excuse me. There we go. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. All right, that looks nice, doesn't it? I'm gonna get the grill placed down. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry about that, y'all. I really need a little grill tool for this thing, like something to grab the griddle with. I don't know, but yeah, and one reason I need it because I forgot my little piece of cherry wood from barbecue chips and chunks. I wanted to have just to give it a little bit of crazy flavor, you know, something like that. A little cherry wood over there, didn't hurt anything. But let me show you something else that we're going to use with this Wagyu. Okay, when you're cooking Wagyu good with this much marbling, you don't necessarily want it just to hit straight there on your grill grates. So much fat content and stuff like that could actually burn on, overchar the edge, let's say. So what I want to do, I've got the perfect remedy for that. My good friends over at the Oyster Bed Company made these steak plates made out of like some sort of aluminum alloy or something, almost like the PK grill. Awesome stuff. And that's what I'm going to cook the steak on, okay, inside the PK. So what we're going to do, we're going to let this heat up here, get like 500 degrees or something like that on the PK before we sear the steak off on, okay? So that's how we're going to go for this for right now, okay? Shut that down for a minute. All right, y'all, I'm going to take the temperature here on the on my steak plate here. So we're good. We're about 357, 356. That should be about high enough right there. And that steak bed, as they call it. Remember, it's Oyster Bed Company. What I want to do now is put a little bit of, I got some grapeseed oil, okay? Just gonna put that on there. Wow, that's hot right there. Let's go ahead and let that
put itself out. Anyway. Maybe it'll just burn off. But we'll put our steak right down on there. It's going to get extremely hot. Obviously, you can see that it is cooking. So we'll go ahead and put that on there here in just a second. Alright, let's get it open again. So we got here. Yeah, that oil's just about burning off right there. A little bit too hot for that oil, but that's fine. Steak's gonna do perfect on that plate. And there we go. Right there. So what I want to do is let that go for about a minute and a half on that side, just like that, just to get that wonderful sear. That's what we're looking for, okay? Just that perfect little sear, and it is going to be nice. Oh wow, I can smell it right now. Thing's absolutely wonderful. Look at that, we're just working on the sear right here. That everything's coming up right there, just popping. Oh yeah. In about 18 seconds. I'll come back to y'all here in just a second. Been about a minute and a half. Let's go ahead and just flip her over. Oh, look at that. That's perfect sear right there. Another minute and a half on that side. That is nice. Oh yeah. Now, I think what we're going to do is we're holding some heat in the pan, I'm sure. It's been about 25-30 seconds. I'm going to move this over here, y'all, to the cool side. I'll show y'all what I'm about to do with it. Thing in here. I've got some wonderful compound butter that we made with some of these with black garlic and a little bit of spice, a little herbs and spice. I'll show you how to make it here real soon, but let's go ahead and just a little bit of that compound butter right there on top. How about that? And we will use that right there. Oh yeah, helps with some flavoring. Look at that. That's it. Oh, whoop. Yeah, oh yeah, look at that. Talking about good steakhouse representation right there. Oh man, I'm getting the finest steakhouse. Y'all, I like mine pretty much rare. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. And we'll go inside and we'll see what it's like. I mean, right there in that steak bed. Look at that. Oh yeah, we'll just eat it right on that, y'all. Go ahead and take it inside and let's look at it. Y'all, I did take the steak off the hot steak bed for right now because I want it to rest. We'll come back to it in just a minute. Let the steak bed cool just a little bit, okay?
All right, y'all, let's taste this beautiful steak. Look at this. Oh, the smell. I mean, it's just like you're fine dining. Look, it's still sizzling a little bit on the plate. Look at that rareness right there. That's what I like to see. That is perfect. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. That's awesome. Right there. I mean, it's hard to beat that. Perfectly cooked. In my opinion, how I like it. Rare plus is what on my favorite right there. But let's go ahead and get a taste of it. Okay. A little char, a little. Oh my goodness. That's so buttery. Oh gosh, man, this steak is just amazing. Look, it's just dripping with juice. Unbelievable, y'all. I mean, this Wagyu crossed with the Black Angus. I mean, my gosh, I could imagine just look at that. I love how the steak bed too. I'm glad I thought of it. I wasn't even thinking about having this here, and it's just That light's probably drowning out the color from the steak, but I'm taking some pictures here, y'all, so you can see. But it's not overcooked at all. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I mean, I'm astonished. I'm just so impressed. I really, really, really enjoy this. But yeah, we've got to do some more of these steaks. Glad we got to practice with this one here on the PK grill, you know. PK360 is a steak cooking machine as well. No, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to finish this steak. I mean, this is just not every day you get something like this. Cook the other one up here later, but oh my gosh, that is amazing. Thanks again, y'all. I appreciate y'all. Please look in the description box where you can get all the stuff. I'll give you a link to Midland Meat Company and everything. And thank y'all. Please keep liking my channel, liking my videos, sub my channel. God bless y'all. Y'all have a good one. Thanks again.